Rhythm composition review. Remember, when we are looking at our notes, each note has a different value. Quarter notes are 1 beat. An eighth note pair is 1 beat. A quarter rest is 1 beat. Half notes are 2 beats. So in this picture, you can see that it fills up 2 beats. A half rest is also 2 beats long. Today you're going to be asked to compose a rhythm, and the rhythm has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 beats on the top, 4 beats in the second measure, 4 beats in the third measure, and 4 beats in the fourth measure. So this full rhythm is 16 beats long, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 measures in 4, 4. Let's choose some fun rhythms that we can play. If you can't play it, should you be writing it? You can try. Sometimes we get it. Let's see. Let's try. So if I counted this rhythm, I would say 1, 2, and 3, 4. Clapping it loud. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Hold your notes together if it's a longer note. Now let's try. I can do a rest. I can add another note and a rest. Using these, I know that half rest fills up 2 beats. So I play 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. I can add another half note, 2 half notes, and another half note, and I'm going to use 2 quarter notes at the end. So you can make your own composition however you like. Now I have a 16-beat rhythm with 4 measures, 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time there's a bar line, that's a beginning of a new number. So here I'm going to count and clap my pattern. 1, 2, here I go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Rest, rest. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you're done with your pattern, go ahead and submit your answer in Canvas.